So we got the McDonald's with it. Yeah, we got fries. We got the McChickens. Can't forget the McChicken. We can't forget them. Other than money,
oh, you ordered 2 that's why.
What? We good. How was your day?
Oh, the 2 you just got one for free.
Free? I used to work up there too. No, I wasn't gonna work for free.
She was saying something about switching y'all switching McDonald's.
Yeah. I was supposed to go to the one by the mall.
Oh, you need to talk to somebody else too.
Good. Turn it off too. So I just came home from jail. Feel me?
That's good, man.
What's up?
You a foreign flat boy. You're trying to get a job.